So hi guys, welcome to my mini vlog. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa bahay ni Jose Rizal. At ngayon, habang nandito tayo, dadaldalin ko lang kayo at excuse nyo na lang yung mga ibang ingay na maririnig nyo. So nag-search ako about sa bayani ng Calamba at nalaman ko na Calamba has 5 national heroes, which is unang-una si Dr. Jose P. Rizal, Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonzo Rialondo, popularly known as Jose Rizal, was a doctor, intellectual, and patriot. He helped to inspire the Philippine Revolution from 1896 to 1898, which ended over 2 centuries of Spanish rule. Ipinanganak si Jose Rizal noong June 19, 1861 at namatay naman siya noong December 30, 1896. On November 9, 1827, Teodora Morales Alonzo Rialonda de Rizal y Quintos, the mother of Philippine national hero Jose Rizal, was born in Maysic, Tondo, Manila. Don Pasiano Mercado Rizal y Alonzo was the only brother of Dr. Jose Rizal, born in Calamba, Laguna on March 7, 1851. He was the second of the 11 children of Don Francisco Mercado Rizal and Doña Teodora Alonzo. Fourth is General Vicente Lim. He was a World War II general. He was born in Calamba City, Laguna, Philippines, which is also the birthplace of Jose Rizal, the country's national hero. And last ay si Jeronimo Aklan. Jeronimo Aklan from Calamba, Laguna is one of the most prominent Filipino fighter pilots of World War II. Almost did not make it to military flying training because of his frail body. Fortunately, he got assistance from General Vicente Lim.